In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two pictures side by side with Canva. If you're creating a before and after, a comparison, or a simple collage, this workflow is quick and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Canva. You can create a brand new design or open an existing project if you already have a canvas ready. Choosing a size that matches where you'll use the image, like a social post or a presentation slide, will help everything fit perfectly from the start. Once your design is open, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all the building blocks you can add to your design. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type Grid or Frame. Grids and frames act like smart placeholders for images, snapping them neatly into shape. For a simple side-by-side layout, pick a design with two equal sections. Click it once and it will drop onto your canvas. If it fills the entire page, that's fine, it's designed to do that so your photos align cleanly. Now it's time to add your photos. You can click the plus icon that appears inside each frame, which will prompt you to choose an image from your library. If your pictures aren't uploaded yet, head over to the Uploads tab on the left, add your files, and then drag them into the frames. You can also drag directly from the Uploads panel into each frame, and Canva will automatically snap the image into place. If you ever change your mind, just drag a different photo over the frame to replace it instantly. To refine the layout, double-click on a photo inside its frame. This opens the crop and reposition view. Here, you can drag the image to reposition the subject and use the zoom slider to get the framing just right. Aim to keep key details away from the very edges so nothing important gets cropped. When you're happy, click Done or simply click outside the image to confirm. Repeat the same adjustment on the second photo so both sides feel balanced. If you need to swap the photos left to right, drag one image thumbnail over the other frame and it will snap into place. That's all you need to place two pictures side by side in Canva. Thanks for watching.